So if you are getting this error when you are connecting your iOS device like iPhone and iPad from your MacBook and trying to install a software update, can't install the software because it is not currently available from the software update server. So what's the solution for this? So many users are facing this problem, and many users suggested that it has something to do with the power adapter. So if you are connected via a hub, try to remove the power supply and connect it to another Thunderbolt port. Also, if your iPad or iOS device is in low power, let's say less than 50%, try to charge it for more than 50% and then try doing it again, and this will solve the issue. Many users have suggested that changing the charging cable also fixes the issue in this case. Okay, so these are the few fixes, but one of the more fixes which I wanted to tell you is signing out of your Apple account and signing back in again. So what you should do, you should just try to sign out from your Apple account and sign back in, and then try this again, and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please do like.